Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So many of you guys loved my real-time Pilates for beginners video. I saw so many of you guys tag me on Instagram and saying how much you loved it. So I'm gonna do another one today, although I'm gonna do a booty burner one. So you will need a band for this. If you don't have a band, you can still do this without a band, but the band will provide extra resistance and make your booty burn even more. As I said in my last video, I have been subscribed to the Breathe at Home Pilates group on Facebook. So obviously before Corona, I went into the Pilates studios here in Perth, and that's where I would do like my reformer and my mat work Pilates sessions. But since they have closed, they have reverted to online. So they have this Facebook group and they post daily or even like every 2 days videos. Sorry if it's a little bit echoey. The video that I'm about to play is very echoey because she's in like a room by herself, like in a large room. So I'm afraid that if I was to play the video in real time like I did last time, it's just gonna be way too echoey. So what I'm gonna do is when I start, I'm just gonna mute this audio. You can even play any song you want in the background. I'm just gonna put like a non-copyrighted song on the background, and on the screen I will write what exercises I'm doing and how many reps, or if there's a time frame. But yeah, obviously I'll be doing it all in real time, so you can just follow me along like you did last time. So yeah, go and grab your resistance band and let's get started. Alright, so that is the 20-minute booty burner class done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It definitely burned when you had the booty band on. So a couple times I did have to take it off, especially for the pulses. Like, I couldn't have done that with the booty band. The girl actually didn't have the booty band on for the first couple of exercises, but I just didn't have the little, I don't know what it's called, but it's called like a little Pilates ball. It's very small. It's kind of like a large stress ball, and she had that at the back of her knees, so you can use that. I'll put all the alternative sort of equipment if you have that at home in the description box, so you don't have to use the booty bands. If you don't want to, you can use nothing. You can also do 3 or 4 rounds if you did want to extend your workout. I'm probably gonna do a little yoga workout next because I've never done yoga before, like literally. So I might do that because I need to stretch my body. But if you guys want to see like a yoga workout, even though I've never done it, I will film it. It might be a little bit funny because I'm literally the most unflexible person you'll ever meet, but I think it would be funny. So if you guys want to see me do yoga, then let me know, or if there's any other exercises or workouts you want me to do, any like body parts that you want me to target and do certain workouts for. I am gonna try and find a compilation of workouts for the lower tummy because I've gotten so many messages and DMs lately asking for those kinds of workouts. So if you're interested, I'll do my research and look up some exercises and then put some together and film it. But yeah, that's pretty much all from me. I burnt, let me have a look how many calories I burnt. Oh, 189 calories. That's not bad. It did like make me break a sweat. That's why I had to unzip my jumper. But this jumper and crop is from Aimn. At the moment during Corona, they're not actually shipping within New Zealand, but if you're living outside of New Zealand, they can still ship your orders. It's so weird, but they have like a lockdown at the moment. And my tights are from Carralee Collective. They're one of my favorite brands, especially for tights and doing exercises like this. They're just super comfy. I'll leave all my discount codes down below. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think so, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to leave your recommendations down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.